All right, show us how to do this, Jack. So,
all right, so let's see. You know, if you look at the different controls, you can change the ride height.
Showing y'all how to change the ride height and the controls on the Tesla.
Yep, you just do that, and right now it rides high, but I can change that.
So you could put it low if you want.
You can put it low, and what happens is when I open up the door, it goes low anyway to let you out, and you don't even feel it.
I didn't even notice. So you even wanted to do it when I came in?
Yep, it always does it. You can't even feel it. It's so slow or so fast, I don't really know.
Wow.
You put it in car wash mode because that way there, the car wash is going to pull it. If it's not in car wash mode, it won't go. And then, you know, you've got all your commands over here, all right?
What about the self-driving?
Self-driving, okay. So self-driving, a paid-up software license, okay? Yep. For $3,500 bucks.
$3,500 extra?
Yeah, self-driving. Now, I used it on the Model 3, right? When I bought this, I transferred the software over for $0. So now the Model 3 doesn't have self-driving, but this guy has self-driving.
Wow.
Okay? You put in a location, and it'll go to that location.
Without you ever touching the steering wheel.
Right. You have to have a hand on the steering wheel somewhere. It could be a finger. Somebody has to be in the vehicle, unless it's parked. Now, if it's parked, what you can do is you can set it up for, you know, going to you, for catching you. So if you go here, all right, so here, if you look at the different things, right? Self-driving miles, I got 3,800 miles on this vehicle right now. Traffic light and stop sign. So it'll stop automatically.
Wow.
I'm going to set that on right now. I got to go in that mode, I guess. All right. You know. Then you have actually Smart Summon. Now, what Smart Summon does is it allows you to pick a spot, like let's say it's in your garage, to have it back out and then come and pick you up. Oh, yeah.
And you can be anywhere when it does this? Let's say if it costs a few miles from you. Can you?
It doesn't matter because you can control it. If it's allowed, it's on your mobile app, right? So if I go to the Tesla mobile app, right? Come on. So now I've got the same kind of controls here. Yeah, I think it's a little hot, right? So I can open it up. I can flash, honk, start. Okay. It knows where the location is, right? And then you have the dash cams. So there's 7 cameras on here, all around. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So if you have like
7 cameras on this Tesla Cybertruck.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, definitely does. You know, it does a nice job.